Hey guys, it's Glenn for G&P Custom Fabrications, and this video is just going to be a random, really don't fit with anything else I got going on video, but just something I felt like sharing for what it's worth. But anyway, so I don't know, like in high school, or maybe in middle school, I remember seeing this symbol, this S thing, on people's notebooks, and I never knew how they drew it, or never really paid attention, never really figured it out, didn't really, think much of it, but it seemed like cool kids had it on their notebook. They sketch it out, doodle it, whatever. Years go by, and I'm sitting at work doodling like I usually do. I came up with this, which is basically an infinity sign. So I'm showing this to my daughter, and we're talking about this, and she shows me how to do this. Basically, it's 3 lines here, 3 lines here. That's it. Voila, it's done. Okay, well that's cool. And so my brain doodling, I think to myself, how is it in my 52 years I had not figured that out, had never done anything with that? And so I thought I'd build on it. I tried doing 4 lines top and bottom. Didn't really like the outcome of it, but I did like the 5. So I'll show you what I come up with for 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. You take the 5 and 5 instead of the 3 and 3, then you skip over 2. And then, if you imagine, if you will, that this is going to continue over here. So this line is going to be headed to this corner. That line is going to be headed to here. Then this is a continuation from that corner there. Bring it down. And then down on the bottom, you go ahead and make your small point, then a big point. Do the same thing on top. Big point or small point, big point. And you come up with that. And I catch myself drawing this all the time now. When I should be doing probably more important things. But anyway, and you can see that I reversed it, which doesn't really matter. It's just the way I draw, which angles I draw first. But I come up with that, and then I got thinking further, maybe have this done as a tattoo or something, I don't know. So you end up with two separate rings that kind of interlock with each other. You've got this one here that makes a small loop and then a wide loop, and you've got the other one that makes just the outside loop. So I don't know, just something silly I thought I'd share with you. It's just something I was thinking about. It's just a cool little doodle, and it's got as much purpose in life, I guess, as this thing here does. Maybe, and I don't know. I mean, I can't say I invented it. I'm sure somebody had come up with that before me, but it's just something that I thought was cool. So I thought I'd share it with you. But once again, this is how it goes. Where's the Bible? Voila, that's what you got. Now, a variation, and I did try this one too. If I had done the top different, you do 2 tops. That's got a really cool look to it. Get rid of the shading I did on it. Change it up to that. Or you can do that on bottom also. Come up with that design. Either way, I just thought I'd share that with you. Just something cool I come up with at work one day. So anyway, Not really about anything. Just thought I'd make a video about it. This is Glenn for GMP Custom Fabrications, living the dream till the freaking phone rings. Thanks for watching.